Epoxy grout has become more and more popular, or widely used among tile contractors and builders, especially in tile showers and floors, because of its benefits, as opposed to cement grouts. There are multiple benefits with this product. Epoxy grout is made from epoxy resins and a filler powder, however cement grout is made from a cementitious powder mix. Epoxy grout is extremely durable and almost completely stain-proof. Regular cement-based grout can absorb water when it is wet and stain easily, and also do not have the waterproof properties. Epoxy grout is made from two different resins mixed with a filler, making it very waterproof. Epoxy thinsets offer greater bond strength and chemical resistance than cement grouts. Although it has plenty of benefits, epoxy grout is more difficult to work with than regular grout. It also tends to look like plastic, which may not be of good looking. The two main areas where epoxy grout is advisable to use is in tiled showers and floors, as the epoxy grout adds another layer of protection for moisture getting under the tile, where there is the other layer of protection, being the waterproofing. Splashback tiling over vanities is one other area where epoxy grout would be advantageous. Regular grout is very easy to shape in outside corners, where tile wraps around a wall, curb or shower niche. It is harder to achieve the same effect with epoxy grout, since it takes a little longer to set up in the grout joint. Epoxy grout sets quickly, so you should mix only required quantity, and apply to the place quickly before it dry. Make sure you clean your tile properly, before and after grouting, to avoid the grout haze or residue on the tile surface with glossy sheen. The time necessary to clean the tile, difficulties in working with the grout and the high price tag are some of the cons for the epoxy grout. Some epoxy grouts are designed just for glass tile. Many brands have a regular epoxy and a special glass tile epoxy too. The difference is in the filler part of the grout. The filler for glass tiles is finer, so it won't scratch delicate tiles. Brown, tan and mocha colored grouts are hard to get right with regular grout. Epoxy grout has the advantage for its even color. The color of epoxy grout comes from the filler and is constant throughout. Regular grout can have its pigment removed during the cleaning phase. You can make epoxy grout sparkle by adding iridescent particles to your mix. You can even fine-tune colors by purchasing different fillers and blending them. From the mixing to application to cleaning, epoxy grouting has its own set of rules. Hence make sure the work with epoxy is done by the professional, who has experience with the product and its applications. Be aware the cost between using epoxy grout to a cement grout will be a significant difference, but its waterproofing, staining and durability advantages are also significant. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment on the shortcoming of the video or advice on the next video topic.